Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. Microsoft just released the Windows 11 23H2 ISO file on their website. So, if you want to manually update your system to the latest 23H2 version, you can directly download the ISO file from Microsoft and create a bootable installation media. Then you can attempt a clean installation of Windows 11 23H2 on your PCs. First, just do a Google search for Microsoft Download. Just type in Microsoft Download and click on this Download Center option. Then click on the Windows option in the top bar. Now, scroll down and click on the Windows 11 option. You will see that the current release is listed on this web page as Windows 11 2023 update version 23H2. You can create a Windows installation media directly using their tool or download the ISO file and run an in-place upgrade or use Rufus to create a bootable media from this 23H2 ISO. Just select the multi-edition ISO and then pick the language of the ISO file that you want to download. Click on the confirm button. Since Windows 11 only comes in 64-bit, you won't see another option. Click on the 64-bit download option and this download is valid for 24 hours. Just click on it and the download will start. Since I'm downloading my file in Chrome for first time, I will have to pick a location. Just click on the save button and this ISO file will begin downloading on your systems. This ISO file is around 6.2 GB in size, which is slightly bigger than the older Windows 11 22H2 ISO, which sits around, I think, lower than 6 GB. After you download this ISO, you will have to create a bootable Windows 11 drive and then format your PC. Install this latest version of Windows 11 to get access to cool features like Microsoft Copilot, app updates, and features like text actions in sniping tool and blur background in Windows Photos app. More such subtle changes have arrived, and you can check out my other videos on this channel for learning more about them. Do subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel, guys. A subscribe will help me a lot to create more of these videos. Also like and share this video with other Windows 11 lovers.